Have you ever wished you could temporarily stop the water from your shower head without reaching for the main faucet controls? A shower flow control valve is a simple and inexpensive upgrade that lets you pause the water flow while shampooing, shaving, or conserving water during your shower. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install one in just a few minutes using basic tools. Step 1. Remove the existing shower head. Start by unscrewing the shower head from the shower arm. To avoid scratching the finish, wrap a layer of painter's tape around the shower head connection. Before using pliers or an adjustable wrench, apply gentle pressure and turn counterclockwise until the shower head loosens. Once it's loose, finish removing it by hand. Step 2. Prepare the threads. With the shower head removed, you'll see the threaded shower arm. Wrap plumber's tape, also known as Teflon tape, around the threads 2 to 3 times in a clockwise direction. This creates a watertight seal and helps prevent leaks after installation. Smooth the tape down with your fingers so it sits neatly on the threads. Step 3. Install the flow control valve. Thread the shower flow control valve onto the shower arm by hand. Once snug, use a wrench or pliers to tighten it slightly. If you're using pliers, place painter's tape around the valve first to protect the finish from scratches. Tighten until secure, but don't over-tighten. You only need a firm seal. Position the valve so the control handle is easy to reach during a shower. Step 4. Reinstall the shower head. Before attaching the shower head, wrap another layer of Teflon tape around the valve's outlet threads. Now screw the shower head onto the flow control valve. Hand tighten first, then give it a small final turn with a wrench if necessary. Remove any protective tape once you're finished. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've added a simple feature that can save water and make every shower more convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next DIY plumbing project coming up right now.